Hello and welcome to another XRay Tech video. Today we're going to be answering the question, do I need to switch my tools? Now at XRay we are entirely software agnostic, which means the short answer to that question is probably not. We don't care what tools you use, and if you're curious as to why and why we're confident we can automate with any software, there's another video for that. Check out that link down below. But specifically with the question, do I need to change my tools? You are the decision maker there. It is entirely your preference. So if you like the tools that you use to manage your to-do list or create documents or manage your sales pipeline, wonderful. Your trust and comfort with the tools that you're using is paramount. But if you say, hey, my sales operations are great, but when we kick off a new client, our onboarding process really struggles, and you're looking for a new tool, wonderful. Easy to make a recommendation there. But if you're saying that, hey, this tool you want to stick to and that tool you don't want to stick with, of course we can adjust and be able to switch these tools in and out. The reason for this is because we're working with the data on the back end. And the data on the back end is largely going to be the same regardless of tool. So you can look at QuickBooks or Wave, for example. Those are both accounting softwares. And it's not going to matter to us whether the invoices are being created in one or the invoices are being created in the other. Either way, an invoice needs to be created, right? That's advancing the business initiative. So I hope this is helpful when you're thinking about the tools that you're using. And ultimately, again, it is your preference. So if you have tools that you like, wonderful, we will automate inside of those tools. If there's tools that you'd rather switch to, or you want to swap out, or you want to explore something new for you and your team, of course, there's easy recommendations to make there too. So I hope this video has been helpful. As always, links and resources are in the description down below. And don't forget, keep the flow.